In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add keywords to WordPress the right way using a free and powerful SEO plugin. If you want your website or blog posts to rank higher on Google, get more organic traffic, and understand what search engines are actually looking for, this is a must-know process. We'll go step by step from your WordPress dashboard all the way to adding focus keywords inside your posts. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and SEO tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control center of your website, where you manage posts, pages, plugins, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then select Add New. This is where you can install new tools to extend the functionality of your WordPress site. In the plugin search bar, type Rank Math SEO. Rank Math is one of the most popular SEO plugins for WordPress, and it makes adding and optimizing keywords extremely easy, even for beginners. When you see Rank Math SEO appear in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, Rank Math will automatically launch a setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This setup process helps configure basic SEO settings for your website, such as connecting your site to search engines, choosing your site type, and setting default SEO preferences. Take your time here and make sure all the details are correct, because this forms the foundation of your site's SEO. Once the setup is complete, you'll be redirected to the Rank Math dashboard. From here, you can see different modules and features that Rank Math offers. Make sure the main modules are enabled, especially the ones related to SEO analysis and on-page optimization. Now that Rank Math is fully set up, it's time to add keywords to your content. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and open an existing post or page, or create a new one by clicking Add New. Inside the post editor, scroll down or look to the right-hand side, depending on whether you're using the block editor or classic editor. You'll see the Rank Math SEO panel. This is where the magic happens. Find the field labeled Focus Keyword. This is where you enter the main keyword or phrase you want this post to rank for on search engines. Type in your target keyword carefully, making sure it matches what users are actually searching for. You can also add multiple keywords if needed, separated by commas, but it's best to focus on one primary keyword for each page. As soon as you add your focus keyword, Rank Math will analyze your content in real time and give you suggestions. These tips may include adding the keyword to your title, URL, headings, meta description, and throughout your content in a natural way. Follow these recommendations to improve your SEO score and increase your chances of ranking higher. Once you're happy with the optimization, save or update your post. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add keywords to WordPress using Rank Math SEO. This simple process can make a huge difference in how your website performs in search results over time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's building a WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.